Welcome to the Congress Agorà 2022. We are here with Dr. Roberto Dell'Avanzato. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Dr. Dell'Avanzato. So, let's start. What are the innovative contents, the confirmation that you want to highlight regarding your participation at the Congress?
Recently, most recently in the last 15-20 years, the treatment regarding the knees area are growing, and most effective and predictable in result procedure are developed, and protocols are combined to obtain the maximum result that is possible to obtain in an area that is not so easy to fix, it's not easy to solve. Especially when there is the skin laxity during the Congress, during the 2 hours of the session, organized in a huge way from the Agorà Society. We are going to present the most innovative technique as the laser, or the radiofrequency with or without macroneedles, or the combination of infrared with specific creams and cosmeceuticals to obtain the maximum result for the skin tightening. Then, when there is a muscle laxity, also the microfocused ultrasound with vision can be used alone or in combination with other technique. And the HCC body, the new hyaluronic acid with high and low molecular weight, are the perfect combination for the final result. Again, when there is an extra fat, can be used a technique that is Italian-made, the intralipotherapy technique, or the laser lipolysis technique for the fat melting and the fat reduction. So, I mean, after the session, I'm sure that we are going to analyze all the procedure that can be done in a specific area, in a small area, not easy area, but in my experience, one of the best area that I'd like to approach.
As for your experience, are there any specific recommendations for your colleagues?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm sure that after and during and after the session, most of the colleagues take home a message to include in all the protocols most of the energy-based device and medical device that they are able to use. The synergy of the procedure is the key point in the next. I mean, the session that to date is the most complete ever organized over this small and specific area, can offer to all the doctor and the colleague present the possibility to understand how to manage all the procedure and protocols at their disposition.
The aesthetic medicine is becoming more safer and ethical. Are there any clinical findings and recommendations for patients?
Yes, certainly it's important to rely in doctors that are certified, that are specialists in surgery, specialists in aesthetic medicine, and they are fully certified to permit to synergize the whole technique that is possible to offer to our patient. So not doctor that can offer just something, but they can manage all the technique that it's possible to offer to our patient. Escaping from low-cost medicine, escaping from doctors that appear too much on TV. I mean, it's important to use correctly the information, always in a deontological way.
Social media has become a growing platform in aesthetic medicine. They have positive and negative effects. For instance, the overcrowded misinformation from non-medical influencers. But on the other hand, they can make the field stronger, as well as negative aspects that should be avoided. What is your opinion?
Yeah, I mean, certainly there are positive and negative aspects, especially for the millennials who take care about the beauty, and they use filters in an easy way to modify their self-evidence. surely is not the reality. So if we use in a properly way the social media help us to growing in knowledge, help us to obtain the correct information, and especially for the medical to patient, but not only for this, but also for medical, so doctor to doctor information. It's important to understand how to manage certainly problems.
Thank you, Dr. Dell'Avanzato, for your important interview, and I wish you a very happy day.
Thank you so much.